Sip slowly, savor your beverage and your English learning journey. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, sip slowly. Whether you're enjoying a hot cup of coffee or diving into English idioms, taking things slowly can enhance your experience. So, let's break down this simple, yet profound advice, and learn how to use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, sip slowly, combines two words that are easy to understand but can be packed with meaning beyond their definitions. To sip means to drink in small amounts, usually gently and with small mouthfuls. Slowly refers to the speed at which you perform an action, taking your time, with no rush. When combined, these words form a phrase that's often used as a gentle reminder or advice, suggesting that one should take the time to enjoy or appreciate the drink, moment, or experience at hand. You can use sip slowly in various contexts. As literal advice when someone is drinking something hot or strong and should drink it in small, careful amounts. Figuratively, to suggest someone take their time to understand or appreciate something fully. For example, when talking about consuming a new type of tea or experiencing a new culture, sip slowly could mean to indulge carefully and with presence, taking the time to notice all the subtle flavors or cultural nuances. When applied to learning English or any new skill, sip slowly becomes a metaphor for the learning process. It encourages learners to not rush through learning materials, absorb and understand content fully before moving on, enjoy the process of learning without feeling pressured to speed through to higher levels. By advising students to sip slowly, we're not just teaching them English, we're teaching them a valuable approach to all learning experiences. Now, let's put sip slowly into practice. Here are some exercises. Next time you have a drink, practice saying, I will sip this slowly, before you start drinking. Think of a learning goal you have. Write down how you can apply the sip slowly approach to achieve it with a balanced pace. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, sip slowly, in both literal and figurative ways. Remember, whether it's tasting a new dish or learning a language, taking it slow can be very rewarding. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy every step of your learning path. Cheers to your progress, and see you in the next video.